Today, guys, we were buying the pound. We had initial reaction, but we were not able to hit a target. But what happened? We broke that support area, went to turn that support area into resistance here, then went on to hit both of our bearish targets. So today, guys, we are bearish as long as the price stays below 1.3614. Okay, guys, and my target would be, guys, my target area would be today's low. That would be my first target because I expect we had some kind of news, some kind of traders shifted their expectations for the BOE. So maybe we get some correction and get a move back down again. But I don't know, as long as we are below 1.36148, guys, we are sellers. And this is our first profit taking area. And guys, my next target would be 1.35189. And guys, if you break above this, my only target would be 1.36612. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.